It was the first time I had gone to my brother's house after his marriage. My father and mother had also been staying at his house for the past 2 months. I was worried about how they were doing there. Would they be able to leave their own house, their neighborhood, and all their relatives and friends behind to stay at his house? My father could spend his days wandering around like a fool, but my mother didn't have to stay at home all day. My brother had just gotten married. They were both happy in the excitement of newness. Just then, a smile appeared on her lips. How wonderful those new days were! A new energy filled her mind. Not sleeping until late at night, waking up late in the morning, all the early days of her marriage started playing out in front of her like a movie. Vijay, he used to sleep until very late in the morning. She would lie silently next to him and gently caress his body. As soon as Vijay came out of the bathroom, she would go to the dining table with him. After eating, she would go to the office and then go back to the bedroom. She would call Vijay at least 7 to 8 times a day. She would keep an eye on his every move. As soon as his call came at lunchtime, she would get ready immediately. As soon as Vijay finished his meal, took some rest and went back to the office, she would go to the bedroom and close the door as if she was unaware of the world. In those days, she had become pregnant, and what's more, she was starting to feel like she was going to reach the sky. Her mind was starting to yearn for Vijay to be with her always. Even if she had a minor headache, she would hope that he would come and relieve it. She herself was experiencing the changes taking place in her children. But these men and women think that their mothers are the root for all their problems. That is why they entrust their wives' problems to their mothers. Her thoughts were constantly going back. In those days, Vijay's parents were also with them. She had never thought about their loneliness. Those old souls would wait for Vijay to come home every evening. They would be eager to talk to him as soon as he arrived. To be honest, if we are not in harmony with each other, we will not be able to understand each other's problems. She would sit in her bedroom with the door closed all day. She would be busy chatting on the phone with her parents, friends, and friends. But she would not go to hear how her mother in law was wasting time. Only her mother would go every day on time, knock on the door, and bring her for lunch and coffee. Whenever she remembered something and called the maid, Vijay's mother would come running. But one day, when she called the maid immediately appeared. She rushed to the door to see why this had happened. Dad held mom's hand and stopped her, saying, "No one should look at you like this, taken for granted." Her mind suddenly took another step back. One day Vijay held her hand and softly whispered, "It has always been my wish for my parents to be with me. It would be so beautiful if our children had grandparents running around the house in their future." Yes, yes, we need some elders to take care of the children. It's not that we need to take care of the children. This is my wish, Vijay insisted. She didn't understand anything, but she was sure that her parents would be with her from now on. Memories of the old days were haunting her like never before. The two couples would often eat together, nibbling on each other. Sometimes, if their parents suddenly saw it, even Vijay would hesitate. But this didn't sit well with her. Why aren't we husband and wife? What's wrong with holding each other's waists and walking around with our arms around each other's shoulders? She was thinking. But today, if suddenly my brother and sister in law also behaved like this, what should I tell my father and mother? She felt disgusted with herself. While she was thinking this, she did not realize that she had reached her brother's house. After dinner, her father and mother had prepared for bed. The sound of laughter could be heard from her brother and sister in law's bedroom. Until late at night, she thought that they were also enjoying the sweet moments of their lives and she fell asleep. In the morning, her sister in law woke her up. "Wake up, sister, wake up, breakfast is ready." When she reached the dining table, her father, mother, and brother were all waiting for her. She was very happy to see everyone together. After breakfast, mother told sister in law to take rest and sent her to the bedroom. Then, mother and daughter got lost in conversation. At around 2 o'clock, sister in law came and said, Mom, lunch is ready. When will Sitapati come? Asked mother. He just called. He's going to be late today. You all have lunch. It's time, she insisted. She was lost in her thoughts. She silently observed her sister in law's daily routine. The way sister in law took care of the household, how she folded clothes, managed the laundry, brought rations, vegetables, etc. Before going to bed at night, sister in law would carefully check even the smallest details like whether the maids had made everyone's beds properly or not, and whether drinking water was provided in all the rooms. She had learned everything so quickly, she kept thinking. You take care of the house so well, she praised her sister in law. Okay, I knew I learned everything by watching my mother in law, replied her sister in law shyly. Are you going to your hometown for the delivery? She continued. No, they say it won't be comfortable there. Even my mother in law is saying the same. Even my mother in law has already started preparing for the birth, she said shyly. She started thinking, they won't be comfortable. Even my mother in law is saying the same. What's the matter? Does she have to be like everyone else? Doesn't she have any originality? However, something began to grow in the corner of her mind. On the day she was returning to her husband's house, she found her brother in law there early in the morning and said, Brother, why are you up so early? She expressed surprise. Your sister in law shouldn't have let me sleep. My sister in law is leaving. She forced me to wake her up by telling me to wake up, Anna said, and glared at her sister in law with love. If you don't make me wake up again, then why don't you blame me for not waking you up yourself? She said. Her sister in law's words stung her soul. She immediately remembered an incident from the past. Once she had gone to her village. Vijay was still fast asleep. She heard a knock on the door, but she was still sleeping. When she woke up, Vijay had also said something similar. His mood had been ruined for the whole day. What if she had left like this now? Here, Anna was also getting angry at her sister in law and ruining her mood the whole day. This girl looks so innocent, but she is very smart in the family, she kept thinking. Soon, my daughter in law is going to give me good news. At that time, you should also come here for a few days. It will help me a lot. I am already getting scared, said Amma, inviting her in advance. Amma's face was a dancing with excitement. Her mind was racing just in time to leave. Don't you know she should have been happy? All her doubts were a tower of air. She is fine here. Dad, mom, Anna, sister in law are all happy. But why am I so agitated? Perhaps it was because her sister in law was giving importance to everything her mother said. Or maybe she didn't even remember her hometown anymore. Or maybe it was the love between brother and sister in law. But Vijay was also showering her with love. So what else was bothering her? She now understood that she had limited her life to Vijay only. She could not think of anything more than this. When her father came to her village, she had clearly told him once, Mom, don't wake up saying you'll leave at 6 a.m. Vijay has a holiday tomorrow. We will wake up a little late. Hearing this, Vijay and his father and mother looked at each other. Marriage is not just a union of two bodies and souls, it is a union of two families, and sister in law had proven this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.